Hello, everybody. How you doing? How we doing? Happy Friday Eve. Who's excited for tomorrow? I knows I am. What? Indy's here for some reason. What does he want? What could he possibly want? What up, Indy? How you doing, man? Kill any pedestrians lately? Hmm? No coming back. Alrighty, let's see. Is Indy actually here, or did he just peace out? We'll see. The master list will tell us. Nope, he's not here. Indy can't hurt you. Indy's not real. I'll tell you what is real. I gotta fix this goddamn throwing knife. That's what has to happen. We are fixing the throwing knife tonight. Shut up. Shut up. Fixing. This is the final blocker, okay? There's plenty of other things I want to do on the game, but this is the final blocker. Fuck. Oh no. Oh yeah, that's right. Gotta make sure we have a piano ready. Then we have to make sure we're on the electronic drum kit with battle blocks. It's the only thing that matters. Let's see if we're going to drop any frames tonight. Wi-Fi is off. We're hardlined. Should be okay. Oh, what's wrong? I think it's just the Wi-Fi. Having some issues with the Wi-Fi. What's new? Okay, throwing knife. Why? Why are you the way you are? First off, I need to figure out where it's being cloned, because it's being cloned with the engage class, and I need to make sure it's cloned before that. So clone node. Here we go. The only thing I clone. Shoot projectile. So obviously I'm sending projectile after it already has the class. That is not that I want to do. So let's see here. We need to make sure that weapon does not already have the goddamn engage class. Which I think it does, because I added that for the spells. It's fine. I actually think I want it to have the engage class now that I think about it. I need to remove it before it's cloned, but I want it to have it when it's being thrown, because I don't know, maybe I'll have it spinning or something. I know that's not how throwing knives usually work. They don't like spin horizontally like a ninja star, but maybe that'll work. Okay, well then instead of me not adding the class. How about we just remove the class before it's cloned? So remove engage before cloning. No. Even better, let's remove it after cloning. Remove engage. Let's remove it before it becomes real. Using new projectile. Yeah. So new projectile, class list, add. You fucking idiot. You don't know what I want. Yeah, we want to remove. Perfectos. Alright. Okay. Now we shouldn't have the problem where it's like all engaged. Next thing we need to do, remove the transition off the bed. What up, buddy boy? We have a brand new video coming out. I always act like it's more than one person. I have a brand new video coming out on the printing channel. It's a lot more in depth of how I created the Dex keys, which I have coined the name Dex keys. No, Indy for some reason came in and he already beat you to it. And then he left. I don't know, is he back? Oh, he's back. Yeah, Indy beat you to it. But he's busy. He's doing stuff. Busy man. But yeah. So I'll give you a little sneak preview of the video. It's a lot longer because it has basically the entire process of me printing the iterations of it. So if you see here, as long as I didn't destroy it. Is everything being found? Okay, good. Hey, look at that cool face. So I go into a little bit more in depth. I go through all the printing of all the pieces and like my process, how I came up with the actual, you know, individual keys, how I came up with the spring design, and I kind of go a little bit more into detail. So yeah, this should be a lot more comprehensive of a video than just a bunch of time lapses. And I actually do some, I'll be doing voiceovers, and I do some actual recorded scenes, which you can tell from my shirt I was doing today. So yeah, stay tuned for that. It just, I couldn't get it done today. It just was too much. Yeah. So yeah, you'll see the whole process of how we got the Dex keys. And it's Dex keys, dexterity building keys. It's to it's designed to allow your fingers to be more agile and strengthened for all your programming or musical needs. So it's not just a fidget toy, it actually has a good use. It's also good for carpal tunnel because when your hands start to go a little bit numb, yeah, once you get to a certain age, it starts kicking in a bit. Blood flow is a big deal. So yeah, every now and then I'll just whip out the Dex keys and I'll just start fucking going to town. Alright. But back to the issue at hand. We need to remove the transition style as well. Remove engaged class and transition style. Oh, whoops. Remove. New projectile. You could probably use it for guitar. Yeah, for sure. Strengthen your fingers up for shredding. Yeah, and it's just fun to have in your pocket. I always find that, like, because I like have a hoodie on with a you know, pocket in the front. I just have it like in the pocket or in my front pocket. Very addictive. Warning. I'll put a warning on it. Oh, no, not classless. I need style. Transform. No, transition equals unset. Alright. This should probably fix the issues I was having. Nah, you can shred on acoustic, kidding me? Haven't you seen what's that band? Polymorphic or something. What's their name? They have that Tim guy. His name Tim. I think I'm just making shit up. Another song is like the God, something about God. I don't know. Herman Lee talked about him. I think his name's Tim something. Hell yeah. 19,000 to go. Woo! Save them dormants, man. Even the people in Orbem have a hard time getting dormants. Okay. Can we throw this effing knife? Didn't I save that? Oh shit. Wrong button. Oh, it worked. You. Okay, let's try this again. We're going to throw this. Work. Okay. And reset. Okay, perfect. So it's not doing the weird looping around transition anymore. And it seems like I'm able to throw it as many times as I want. That's good. Now I can't see it moving. So I'm guessing something's wrong with the actual transition logic itself. Let's see. Let's see if, like, what it does. Oh, whoops. Okay. So it's immediately going away. Let's move over here so that I can throw it and see if it goes away right away or not. Because I feel like it's just hitting the wall really quickly. And it pretty much seems like it's just dying right away. I wonder if... I wish I could delete transition. Oh, you mean like aim with the mouse and click? Yeah, that's not really how I have the logic. It's kind of like wherever you're aiming, it shoots. So whichever direction you're pointing. But, because right now I use the mouse for pretty much just transportation and then, you know, clicking on menu items. That's not a bad idea. I could have a sort of like aiming method for projectiles in the future where, like, if you hold shift and click the mouse just like you do with transportation, it'll throw it in the direction of your mouse. So yeah, that's not a bad idea. But you can just throw it in the direction you're facing. But right now it seems like it's just going away. So let's figure out what's actually happening. Because it seems like it must be hitting something. Because if I switch this to all 10 seconds, like make it really long. See how slow it's moving now? Then if I throw it, will it take that long? No. So it seems like throwing is just literally destroying it right away. Okay, so let's figure that out. What's happening? So we're doing this. This is the new projectile. The old projectile should be fine. Unless changing the new one is fucking with the old one. Shouldn't it? No, I don't think so. So if true does not equal spell, and no is projectile, we'll do that. Otherwise, if that. Otherwise, if that. Move spell. Okay, so this is what actually moves it. Which is fine. Shift projectile position and remove if it hits a wall. So I think my problem is, I believe that this collision thing is getting hit. Well, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But let's see. If I remove this, will it disappear still? That will tell me what I need to know. I just don't want to break the boss projectiles. Because right now he throws cheese at you or whatever the hell I gave him. Cookies. He throws cookies at you. Alright, let's see. Will it go away? Fuck. Okay, go. That was weird. It's still a projectile. Huh. Oh, whoa. I just made a bunch of knives. Because they're not going away. Okay, well, yeah. I guess that is definitely causing it to disappear. So that's good. But now, I think my problem is, I wonder if one of the collision walls, oh look at this, if true equals spell. Oh, that's why. It's hitting me. Aha. I'm an idiot. Or yes equals is projectile. Okay. Yeah. Because now this will be for enemies and the walls and stuff like that. Okay, now we should see it moving normally. Because the things that it was supposed to, you know, break when it hits was actually me. So it's already touching me, so as soon as I shoot it, it was disappearing. Alright, let's try this again. Okay, here we go. Go! What the fuck? Didn't I revert this? Yeah. Maybe I didn't compile? I thought I did. Go! Okay, so that works fine. Switch. What the fuck? What's going on? Why is it not projectiling now? Uh-oh. The hell did I do? Oh wait, what's this? Get back, get position. What is going on? Am I not logged in or something? I'm gonna re-log in. It's just getting a little screwy. Sometimes it requires a new login. Okay. Speaking of fire... Okay, good. That's still there. Let's try this again. You. Let's see the weapon. Data projectile, yes. And throw. Does not seem to be working. What did I do? I broke something. What did I break? Let's go back to when it was working. I mean, this is when it was working, so I'm a little confused what broke. Okay, let's try that. Is it because I changed the collision point? That doesn't make any sense. Okay. Oh, okay. So maybe it has been broken this whole time. I just couldn't tell because it was disappearing. Now that it's not disappearing, it's not throwing either. Okay. What I am seeing, though, is that the transit... So this is affecting the original. And I just watched a C. Scott Dev video about how cloned items affect their parent. So, but I need... It was in React, though. I just wonder if it's a similar thing for clone node. Is clone node? Let's ask ChatGPT. Does clone node if you change the attributes of a clone node element, will it change the original to? Okay. I mean, it also clones all the child elements. If you pass false, the element's argument creates a shallow copy. Yeah, I'm doing it. It says it's independent. But then why am I seeing the class changes on it? Because if I look at it right here... Oh, well, it's already on set. Wait, what? Okay, go here. Okay. So, no transition, no engage class. So if I click... Oh. Wait, what? What happened? Oh, did I not compile? Let me compile. Let's try this again. Go. We're trying to prove a point here. You. Okay. Okay, so this is good. So if I click this, nothing should change on this. But you oh. And then the timeout happens. Interesting. But why is it not throwing? That's what I'm confused about. It's just, it's shooting out like this. Maybe it's the fact that it's an engage class. Is it the styling that I added for it? Might be. Though I thought I'm supposed to be changing the left and top. I have a transition, or transform, I mean. Transform. Transitions on set. I won't even throw it again. But it creates one. Oh, this is so confusing. It's not going away. It's staying one place. The top and left aren't moving. Right? Yeah. I mean, projectile's a projectile. Problem is, gotten to the point where things definitely should be working. I found the reason why it wasn't, why it was just exploding. I was using the enemy projectile collision classes, which includes me. So when I touched it, it just disappeared. But now that it's not disappearing, it's not throwing either. So like right now, this is fresh. If I click, top and left don't move. Oh, whoops. Top and left don't move. Or it did, kinda, but then it came back, which is screwing it up. It did slightly move. It did slightly move. Alright, well then what's happening in move spell? Because obviously something's not working. Oh, is that where that error was coming from? Yeah, it was happening, but... So, move spell. We're getting the projectile center point. We're getting the transition speed. Style left top. I know we're setting us. Style left and top. Which map character left and top is what? Map character left and top in this case are the weapon left and top. Wait, what? And the weapon left and top. Yeah, see, I'm just adding 10,000. Right. Depending on the direction I'm facing. Or I'm minusing it. So it should just be moving 10,000 in the direction I'm facing. Until it hits something. Why is that not happening though? Because weapon style left and top are... wrong? No, these are right. Map class. Yeah. 10,000. Yeah, it still is projectile, yes. So that's working. The only thing I'm seeing is, so top should be, this should be 10,981. Which, if I throw, so like if I restart my change, this should be 11,032, right? When I hit it. It definitely didn't do that. But it removed it. And now when you try to shoot it again, it doesn't even do anything. At least before it was getting destroyed. But now it's just creating new ones, and the timeout's not even working. Like, nothing's airing out either. What the hell? Okay, we're gonna have to just debug this. So, first off, yeah, which it has a set timeout. It should disappear automatically after a certain amount of time. Which it is for the first one you throw, but the cloned one it's not. So I'm gonna check weapon left and weapon top. So console Map character left. And console log. Map character top. Let's see if these are correct. And let's get rid of... I want to delete this style. So I'm just going to do that. Yeah. And then that's fine. We want to remove that so it's not just stuck out. And let's just make sure I didn't miss anything obvious. Yes, yes, yes. Move spell. Enemies container. Sure, that's the reference point. And then this is what deletes it. This is the thing I fixed because it was coming to me. Projectile. Class. That's the projectile. Map weapon. Right? That's what we want. Map weapon. Yeah. I don't think that changed since I've done work on this. And per collision ID. This is all fine if it actually throws. So let's figure out right now. Let's see what we get for top and left. We'll do the math in the console log. So if we restart this and do this, let's see what it gives us. What it should give us, because we're pointing down, it should give us 11,041 and then 1606. Go. 11,041, 1606. Perfect. It did exactly what it's supposed to, and yet it did not actually move the weapon. Interesting. Though it does seem like my just setting it to nothing removed the transition. And it still seems like it's breaking. When you try to shoot it again. I don't know if that's because it's not colliding with anything. Because when it was colliding with me, it did let me shoot again. But it seems like the timeout itself, like this, is not doing well. Because I don't know why, because yeah, what's this? New projectile set. Okay. So this is all just to get the current position, so that's fine. I'm appending the projectile to the container and removing the old one. And then clearing the movement, which the movement is something. I don't remember what it is. What is this? Clearing. Projectile movement. Where's that being set? That's being set here. Oh, it's the first thing. So it's this. So it doesn't just keep floating forever, I guess. Okay. So it's correct. This is correct. Cool. Not helping, but cool. So if that's true, then let's go into move spell and see why this isn't getting set. My guess is it's not getting past here. Map character left. Map character top. That or projectile's wrong. Because if projectile is the wrong element, then that would also explain it. typo. Let's see what we got. Alright, so what happens when you throw? Okay. The element is correct. These are correct. And okay. Only problem is this ain't doing shit. It's acting as if it just has the engage class and it's not moving. It's acting like these aren't actually working. So let's console log. Projectile style left and top. I know it's redundant, but I mean, I just need to see it like that it's correct. Otherwise, the style top and left have to be being overtaken by something else. Which is weird. Yeah, it's staying in the same spot. It's supposed to be getting pushed, you know, in the direction that I say. Like those style numbers should be changing. So like, you know, we saw that it was setting the map character left and top correctly. Like it was adding 10,000 to the direction of I'm facing. But for some reason, it's still not moving. Oh, for some reason the style's not changing. Which makes me think something's going on, like this is being rewritten. Alright, let's see again. So, boop. Nope. So, boop. See, nothing's changing. It did change the transition. It is definitely setting it, but it's immediately setting it back for some reason. Okay. I have a thought. I feel like it's possible that the logic that's keeping the weapons with me is preventing them from moving away from me. Because I just don't remember the timing, but when I first created the weapon, it used to be inside of my element. So a projectile would just be pushed away from me. But like me walking, I wasn't moving the weapon with me. It naturally moved with my character because it was inside my element. So it's possible that since I changed that and moved the weapon outside of myself so that I could use it and move it. Yeah. So so what we're going to need to do is turn off the connection point, basically, here. So it'll be like, window dot disable weapon connection. Or we'll just say weapon connection false. Right? And then now I should be able to move it. So let's go look at my Miro explore position logic. Let's look at the weapon. Weapon. Now where do I move the weapon with me? That's what I have to find. Animate, animate, animate. I think there has to be like a move weapon. I think it's gotta be, oh yeah, here we go. So you'll see I'm changing the direction of the weapon. And then I think it's in, actually in, not the push, but in the block. Oh wait, what was that? Yeah, get block direction. Get block direction. Block movement. Isn't it something like that in here? What are you learning to play? Oh, here we go. Right here. So this moves the weapon. Okay. That's what I have to do. Oh, perfect. This is perfect. Then all I have to do is this. And true equals window dot weapon connection. Right? So, just like the allow movement. So let me see here. And then I'll have to reset it. Where are my windows? I know I'm setting some of them at the beginning. Window dot 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 dot. Where am I setting those? Engage, explore. Here we go. Set true by default. Window dot weapon connection. The smell like, ooh, nice. That'll be fun. That's a good starting point. Okay. So by default, it's true. I'll change it to false. Let's actually make sure it switches back, which I guess would have to be once it gets destroyed. So that would be when it resets. So on remove, I'll reset it. Link weapon back to player. I hope that's not too late. Window dot weapon connection equals true. And I think I have to do that also down here. Yeah. All right. I think this will work. I think we finally kind of understand the way the weapon works now. Now we should see it just go flying now. And it should break. So I'm actually gonna go right here next to a wall so I can see it blow up. Okay. Here we go. Okay. It went away this time. That's good. Everything looks solid. Let's try again. Still breaks the second time. So there's still something wrong. With the cloned weapon. Which is weird, because I didn't have an issue with that before. But I'm definitely seeing an issue now. So let's see here. Let's make sure it's actually getting destroyed. So if I shoot it. Oh. That's funny. The projectile hit the item that makes the fire go away. Look. So it works. That's great. Problem is I can only throw it once. So we know it's moving. Though the problem is it's moving at a considerably high speed. So I can't even see it moving. That's not... Yeah, that was a good shot. With my eyes closed. I think I think here's the problem. I should be able to just set the transition speed to whatever I want. Doesn't matter how far it's going. It's going 10,000 regardless. It thinks it's going 10,000 more, right? So, in the case of the enemies, I need to regulate the transition speed because it's pointing at me, like, and I'm a moving target. But yeah, in this case, let's see, because I want to be able to see this thing move. And then we'll fix the whole second part not working. So where's the regulation thing? Okay, so it's got to be in move spell. So this is no longer needed. I don't need to regulate the transition speed. Though, I'm going to leave this here. I think. Huh. What do I use move spell for? I think it's only for spell and weapon, right? Yeah. Okay, for some reason I thought this was for an enemy. Yeah, no, see I have a move enemy spell, which is different. Okay. So yeah, I'm getting rid of this. Instead of this, all I'm going to do, so I don't even need this anymore. I'm just going to set the transition speed for projectile. Which, I mean, I don't have to set this dynamically, but... Transition equals... whatever. All 10,000. Let's change it to like 1 second. Let's do something slow. 2 seconds, just for now. Now I don't want to worry about easing right now. Okay. Let's try this. Should be able to see it move now. Alright, and now if we throw it, there we go. So we can see the knife throwing now. It's a pretty good speed actually, but I think it might be too fast. Like it should, you know, range-wise in the game, you should be farther away. So let's do it actually 3 seconds, which should be a dramatic difference. It's 50% more. Never considered building a game with WordPress. Interesting. Are there other WordPress games? No, not that I know of, David. Thanks, though. Thanks for jumping on and saying something. Always appreciate the YouTube Shorts live feed. Jumping in and joining the convo. No, I don't know. I mean, maybe. I don't know any other, you know, WordPress websites that would care to build a video game. Cool. I'm glad you're glad to see it. Yeah, feel free to ask any questions you have. I am actively been working on this for years now. It's based off of my sci-fi fantasy novel series, the game itself. This one right here, the Harmonian Chronicles. So it already has a storyline. We've done a lot of work so far. Hey, Deck Dude, welcome to the party. And yeah, I'm a WordPress programmer, so it was just a natural fit to build it into my website. You know, this is my orbemortar.com is my normal WordPress website. I built the theme, and the game is going to be built into here. You log in and play the game. 7 weeks. What's that mean? Till what? Okay. Let's see what 3 seconds looks like. Go. Wait, what? Did I disarm it? Uh-oh, that's not good. I shouldn't be able to hit both buttons. It should have... Oh, it must not be part of the collision points. Thanks! Yeah, appreciate it. You think it looks good? Psh, wait till you hear the music that I've been developing on stream. The level music's the best part. And we have John here. He's the strong guy, so he moves the rocket. Alright. Oh god. But it just blew me up. I don't know why. Yeah, we have to figure out this issue. Not the image issue. I already know that issue. Okay. Yeah, I'd be writing via stream. We made some good levels. Good level music. Still have a few level musics to go inside of this. But we're trying to fix this first. What pain? Oh, your braces. I didn't know you had braces. I guess maybe I did know that. Alright, off to bed. Stay tuned for that video. I'll probably be launching it tomorrow. The 3D printing video. How I created the most addictive dexterity building fidget keys. Branded, of course. And you yourself can see how the product is made. Alright, yeah. Obviously this is completely busted. Alright, you too, man. Make sure to subscribe so you can hit me back and have more convos. See you later, my friend. That's David Prophet out here. Hitting up the YouTube Shorts live feed. What up? Man, 7 weeks until your braces comes off. That's big. That's big news. Sweet, man. Appreciate it. Really appreciate it. Okay. Tell me why you refuse to do what I want. So I can throw it, which is fine. I don't want to wait for the set timeout for it to create it again. I thought I already built that into the logic though. So like basically when this goes away, it should immediately create the new one. Maybe I didn't do that. I know that's right here, so maybe... Was there a reason why I set the timeout for that only? Oh, I think for the spell, like I didn't want you to spam the spell. I guess I don't really want you to spam the knives either. So changing character, then changing back. Can you throw it after switching back? Yeah, the problem is, when you switch back, it's supposed to change the weapon based off of the character. But now it's breaking. Everything is breaking. There's so much breaking. Like, I don't know why this is happening. Something's going on with the weapons. Hold on. Yeah, like, now it's cloning throwing knives even when... See, look, it cloned it again. It's cloning the throwing knives even when it's not a throwing knife. So I need to... Something needs to be reset when you're switching characters. Something's wrong here. Your face hurts? Oh man, I'm sorry. So. What? So we have this. Shoot projectile. This only can happen if the weapon has data set yes. Okay? My problem is, what is it considering weapon? Because I thought it was supposed to be map weapon. This only happens on key up. I think I need to redefine weapon on key up. That might fix a lot of the issues we're having. See, this is not being reset. I think that's the problem. So, in reality, during these events, I need to redefine weapon. That would make the most sense. That way it's always the current weapon, right? So let's try that. Okay. I think this will fix the whole, you know, weapon confusion. So like I have this, and I switch to you, and I throw you, which is fine. And then I switch back. Well, let's switch to him. Okay. So yeah, that got rid of the whole throwing knives or creating new knives. But if I switch back to her, will it work? Okay. It does. Hey, it's just working now. I think that's the problem. It was seeing the original weapon as it was seeing the original weapon I was throwing. So when I was trying to throw a new one, it didn't exist anymore. I think this is it. Pew! And now it'll reset. Pew! Wait, what? What direction am I facing? Oh, I have to like face it after. Yeah, there you go. Pew! I mean, I don't like the direction the knife's facing. That would not work. That'd be a really shitty throwing knife. Pew! Okay. Hey, I think we did it. That's pretty exciting. Give me some fireworks for that. Fireworks. Yeah. What? Fuck you. Now, can I switch back to him without being a throwing knife? Okay, no. I can't. So, I need to do that. When he gets switched back to... It should know the original weapon I was. Which for some reason it doesn't. I made that a thing. Choose... Oh, wait, character choice. Character choice. Wait. Choose choice. What was that function I had? Genie. Oops. Genie. This is also something I need to change. This needs to be dynamic. I can't be hard coding people's names in like this. For another day. Okay. Yeah, this is the wrong thing. This is what I need. So, if you're Graham, it should get the equipped weapon. If I choose me. And change it to the equipped weapon. And the equipped weapon in the storage item shouldn't change when you switch characters. It should, you know, because I'm not actually setting these to the equipped weapon. The equipped weapon is only what I equip. The main character is equipped. So let's see why that's not working. Let's check the weapons. Alright, we have weapon. You know what? I think the problem is this doesn't say equipped. Even though it is the equipped weapon. I think it's because it's the default weapon. It worked when I had the sword. Because that was a weapon I equipped. So I need to actually do that. Let's go back to storage. Equipped. Okay. So, current weapon. So I need to make sure that current weapon isn't false by default. It needs to be fist by default. Right? Unload, fist. Because that is kind of how it is when you first load. Yeah, so now that this is equipped, if I switch to Genie and I switch back to Graham, it'll go back to fist. And we're good. And you switch back to Genie, throw a knife. Alright, let's watch the video.
The kid that doesn't touch grass.
Bro, have you seen the new Fortnite shop?
No, I've been playing basketball.
When the game Waito's back.
Yo, just take my ball, bro.
Yo, what's that green stuff over there?
That's grass.
You mean Fortnite created that? You know that, right?
It's not from Fortnite, bro.
Yeah, it is.
Yo, bro, take a shot.
Yeah, can you go get that?
Why can't you get it? You shot it.
I can't touch grass.
Bro, just touch grass already.
I might die.
You're not gonna die, trust me.
I don't know about this one. All right, I'm gonna go for it. Too easy.
Bro, did he just levitate?
I guess. Might have had the wings, you know, in Fortnite. You can fly around and... Yeah.
The kid that doesn't touch grass.
My kid showed me
Have you
this
seen the new
video.
Fortnite shop?
It's, yeah, it's funny. Is that you? Are you the kid that can't touch grass? Well, my friends, I think we have a character with projectile. That's pretty cool. Now, we need to make sure that it can't hit two items at the same time, so it has to go away. Let's make sure the collisions are correct. You're a nerd? You can't touch grass? No, that's true. What was I thinking? Here we go. So, enemy item. Default. See, I definitely need collision points to be map items in general. Why didn't I make that collision point? I mean, that should be for the enemy too. Okay. Well, let's try it. There might be a reason why. I don't know what it would be, but might be a reason. Also, triggers. I can't have triggers. But let's see. That'll be a major cheat if you can just throw a knife at all the triggers and set them all off. That would no be bueno. Okay. I don't think I have anything else to throw at though, so I'm gonna have to reset the game. Skincare products. Nice. That's fun. And brain damage? Nice. Even cooler. Oh, do. Seems like we have not created any new bugs, so that's a win. Yeah, and so far this is working pretty good. Pretty well, even. Alright. Let's organize this office. It's a mess. This office is a mess. What the hell? What did I do? What did I do? I accidentally triggered this and did not grab it. I didn't mean to. Try again. Thank you. Yeah, okay. Let's go collect our characters. And then we can have a whole bunch of fun. What'd you clip? Let's see it. And brain damage? Nice. Even cooler. I agree with him. Brain damage. Super cool. Nothing cooler than brain damage. New song. Just wrote it. So I left a review of my Sun T1 Pro 3D printer. And it wasn't a good review. I had a lot to complain about. But they sent me like a handwritten note letter saying, oh man, we're sorry you had such a hard time with the printer and stuff. We're working on it or whatever. And then they sent me like a pillow of their mascot, and then they sent me this little plushy keychain of their Sun little hot end mascot. My dogs love stealing it from me. I thought that was funny. Okay. I don't mind that she can throw her knife and set this off. That's actually kind of cool. I mean, you don't really get to try out her hazard abilities. But I just want to make sure she can't set off both of the triggers now. So let's... Wait, what? What is this? Why am I getting these errors? This keeps happening. I don't know why. I'm gonna have to fix that one of these days. I don't know why the minigames are like trying to get set off. Okay. So let's set it off. Oh. There we go. Now that I set it to map items, it won't hit it anymore. So that's good. That's good. Okay. I kind of just ran into it though. That was a little weird. Well, it definitely isn't letting me. Okay, good. So now I can't talk. I fixed that little loophole, so that's good. It's working now. So now I should have to go to her, the quick girl, and let's go. Though I think I already set it off, so this is probably not going to work. I'm going to have to go back. I still have to program the whole timer thing. We have not done that yet. Maybe I'll do that next. Because right now there's a 30-second timer. You have to hit 2 buttons within 30 seconds, or 40 seconds I made it, in order for you to complete this message. I mean this mission. Yeah. Go back! Go back! It reset! So I'm gonna have to do that. I'll need a timer showing up in the bottom right. And we'll have to do like sound effects go wah when you run out of time. And it'll be a lot easier to test this too, because I have no idea what the time limit is. There we go. I made it. And then we'll switch to good old John. And we'll move this rocket into place because he's strong. And only he can move heavy things. And then we'll do the minigame. Okay. Excited we got that. That we got the... okay, see, that's wrong. Only Graham should be able to set off the minigame. Why did that happen? Hold on. Engage minigame. Right. Oh yeah. Character can. What's that? Character can logic. Character choice? No. Or is it can character? Can character interact, this one. So let's do this. Let's do transport. Let's also do case minigame. It's got to be a programming minigame though. I'm sure there'll be other minigames I want other people to do. let's do programming. And then return character. .src includes Grame, which I will have to make dynamic someday, but that works. I'll do a little break. So in this case, I'll need to add this to the, what was I doing? Engage minigame? Yeah, here we go. I don't think this says what type of minigame it is. So I will have to check. Let's check what kind of minigame it is. It is, where is it? Minigame. Data blade. Finish blade device. Data minigame. Minigame programming. Yeah. Technically, the wire part is not the programming part. So we would have to check the minigame we're actually triggering. Here we go. Yeah, we'll have to add minigame type to this. Though for demo purposes, I guess we can just hard code it. So where is it? Where is it? Right here. So if this and this and this, or this and this and this, and can interact programming. Sure. And the item what is it using? Oh, we're on the outside. Whoops. We needs to be in here. There we go. So value. So item is the item, which I don't care about actually in this case. So whatever. Since programming, it's all about the character. So I just need the character. Programming. Here we go. So this doesn't matter. This does. This is the character. So how do I have the character that's interacting? This is the item that I'm interacting with. But not the person who is doing the interacting. Shit. Well, I'm gonna have to pass it then. I guess I'll just pass it from here, right? Yeah. Alright, let's see if it works. What? I am watching Game Engine for WordPress. Are you making games on WordPress? I am! Shawshank. Nithany. I am definitely making a WordPress game engine so I can create my pixel RPG video game. This is all in WordPress. As you can see, this is where I define like the items, the areas, the enemies, the weapons, the gear, all that kind of stuff. I define it all in custom post types in WordPress with custom taxonomies, custom fields that I define, and then I use all that data on the front end to build the game, the levels, set the music, you know, all that kind of stuff. And eventually, anybody who wants to build an RPG video game could use this game engine. I'll make it a plugin. All you have to do is install it, and then you can develop your own levels, all your own assets, and make it whatever you want. It'd be pretty dynamic. So this is just my application for the game engine that I'm making. So now that I switch that logic, he should not be able to start the minigame. Damn it. I was wrong. Maybe I didn't do this right. Hold on. Did I do that? Can character interact? Hold on. This one. Okay. And can character interact? Box. Box. That's the character. Let's double check what we're getting here. Just in case. But I think I just didn't compile. Thanks. I am lucky that you came. I love a good conversation about random WordPress stuff. So yeah, feel free to subscribe and hang out as long as you can and talk. Also on Twitch, it's a lot more interactive. If you have a Twitch account, you can follow me there and actually jump in on the conversations more. And I don't think we have much going on Twitch right now. We do have Dak Dude hanging out, so that's why we have a stream avatar up there. Alright, let's see here. Can you start the minigame? Yes, he still can. What did I get? What? Why are you the way you are? What the hell's going on here? Hold on. What? Oh, it's the interact. Yeah, that's fine. But why? See, yeah, see, it's John. SRC does not have Graham in it. So, why are you letting him do it? Oh, wait. Yeah, see, it includes Graham. Programming. Right? So I'm guessing some of the logic here is wrong. So we got this. I definitely have and in here though, so this should be true. Let's check if this is true. Is this coming out true? Shouldn't. Yeah, shouldn't. Though this is gonna actually blow up everything. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, box is at least working, so that's good to know. Let's get rid of... Okay, I already did good. Okay. John. False. False. If it's false, then why is it working? Well, that's the real conundrum. Okay. So it's working. But engage minigame logic is still getting hit. So I'm guessing this is coming out as true. For some reason, or at least at one point it's coming as true. I wonder why. So let's actually see what's going on here with this whole if statement. Yeah, right. So false. False. You know, let's get rid of all the other console logs. It's kind of screwing with me. Yeah, I don't need you. I don't want this. I don't want this. This is all I want. Okay. Wait, what? Alright. Let's do that. Let's not break anything. Okay. Let's try this again. Alright. You can't do it. True. Okay. We're definitely getting true. So that's good. That's what I would expect, because it's working. So this should all equal true except for can character interact. So the fact is I need to wrap all of this in its own thing. And this. Let's just see if that works. It's condensing all of that logic together. If that's true, fine, but this also needs to be true, which it shouldn't be. False. Okay. I think that's the ticket. So let's just wrap all these douchebags here. And now only Graham should be able to trigger the minigame. It's his office, it's his desk. He should be able to one that does. So if you're John randomly. Good. Now he can't do it. And if I change to Jeannie, all she does is throw her knife. Awesome. And if I switch to the fast girl. Okay, what the hell? Why is every time I swing, get position at center? Why is this getting hit every time I swing? Oh god. Stop. Stop. Stop ID. What the fuck is going on here? Okay. Move enemy. Okay. Well, that's not the... Why is this getting hit every time I swing? Because that's... No, and it's not a spell? But why would I want to move the enemy every time? That's... Why am I shooting projectiles for no reason? Engage shooter. No. This is engaging. Why? This has to be yes. This has to be yes. Why would this be yes? It's not yes. I know for a fact it's not yes. Why are you hitting? Yeah, it's no. So why is shoot projectile getting hit? See? Why are you getting hit? Because this bug is really annoying the hell out of me. I mean, this console error. Alright, well maybe it's not. Oh, or. Oh. Or. Wait. If current points are greater than 0, which I'm guessing it's for health, and weapon exists. Oh, wait. This is all for projectile. So this isn't, but this is. Okay, well, I think this needs to be and. Right? I mean, and that, or it's a spell. I think that's the problem I'm having. So it's that, or I guess true equals is spell. Though I think that's gonna bite me in the ass once we start using magic again. Alright, let's try that. Because, yeah, right now, shoot projectile is getting hit every time. But since it's none of those things... No, see, this is going to screw me with the boss. Yeah, this is going to screw me with the boss. How do I make sure... We might have to... We'll figure this out. I'll need to actually be in the boss fight to figure this out. So, at least that should have got rid of the console error. Yeah, okay. So now I should be able to do whatever I want here. No more errors. Only image errors. And she can still throw her knife. So that works. And now he should be able to... Wait, what? See, this happened again. Why is this happening? This should say equipped. And yet... It doesn't. Oh, no, it does. So what the fuck? Why did this get an error then? Current weapon. Image. Wait, what is current weapon? Oh. Current weapon is map weapon. And there's definitely an image, so that's doesn't make any sense. Okay, well, I equipped it. Okay, let's just start the minigame. Oh, look, no, I can't even start the minigame. Hold on. There we go. Okay. Well, let's get to the boss fight. That wasn't very smooth, but I think we ironed out most of the bugs. And once I get to the boss fight, we'll probably call it a night. Transpose, so T. Yep. 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 Uh-huh. And E. Binary. There we go. And then we have our cutscene video. He discovers, you know, the ability to transport, so now he can transport. And then we'll go to his condo after a nice hard day's work. He'll take a nap. And then we'll get to practice some kendo. What? Quit. Alright, I'm in bed. And I wake up. And now these should still work. I should only be able to break these tatami mats with a sword. Yep. Yep. So they are not punchable. And then I go collect my katana. Yoink. And now I should be able to equip it. Yep. This sweet Japanese sword for chopping. Okay. So this is a normal swipe. Whack. This is a heavy swipe, which you hold shift and click. And then this should be the charged attack, which is supposed to be the strongest. Alright. We practice kendo. And now let's go to the fight. Okay. I know it's the same video, but that's fine. Now we'll go to the boss fight, which will be great. I think I didn't change the category again in Twitch. Usually Indy complains about that.
Here, yeah, I guess it does go there.
I know I'm probably gonna peace out anyway soon, but at least we'll have the category for a second. Okay, let's do boss fight. Alright, boss fight. Woo woo. I'm getting the F out of here, he says. Oh no, you are not. Let's fight! Okay, so now he's gonna run around me. Will his projectiles work? That's the only thing I'm worried about. Oh, they do. Perfect. Good, good, good. I didn't break the boss projectile. Perfect. So he can throw all the cookies he wants. I know they move with him, and it's kind of weird, but it's fine. Okay, so this is good. What was I supposed to do with him? I was gonna figure something else out. Yeah. Oh shit, he got me. He always fakes me out with those cookies. Whoo! Yeah. Die, bitch. Oh fuck. Ooh. Alright, let's switch to Genie and try out her projectile. See if I can hit him. Get a good shot on him. I also need to give, the boss a health bar. Oh, nice shot. Right in the face. Oh, nice shot. Right in the face. Woo. Yeah, I like the projectile. I also like that it has like a delay, so you can't just like spam it. Come on, bitch. Oh good, oh good. Shoot him. Oh, good thing that knife is fast. Alright, let's switch to her. She's fast. It's a lot easier to maneuver around. Ooh, and dodge. Bob and weave. Oh my god. How much life does he have? He should be almost dead. Or he should be switching to the next wave. Alright. Big hit. Big hit. Big hit. Big hit. Big hit. Big hit. Are we not doing any damage on him? I feel like he's not getting hurt. Shit. Well, his health is... No, he's losing health. I think... Oh, there we go. Next wave. I just got impatient. Oh, shit. No, I'm dying. Oh, God. Switch. Okay, so Genie can handle hazards. So even though it's still kind of, like, is annoying. Why are you drinking hot chocolate this late, dude? That's a lot of sugar for this hour. Alright. Yeah, yeah. So she really is the only one that can hit him when he's doing this. Unfortunately, now I have to only throw knives at him. I didn't think about how annoying that would take a while to do. Yeah, I know it's earlier, but it's still not that early. You shouldn't be having sugar after 7. Because then it just hops you all up. You know, it takes 4 hours for you to digest. And especially like sugars, caffeines, that kind of thing. So it'll just kind of screw up your, like, your REM. You won't get to bed as deeply for like another, you know, an hour past the time you're like sitting in bed. I don't know what time you go to bed, but... Alright, we're almost to the next wave. Sugar doesn't have caffeine. Correct. Sugar is worse than caffeine. Messes with your body's insulin levels. And you spike out with that processed sugar. I'm just saying caffeine and sugar, same thing. Like you digest them, it takes like 4 hours to get through your body. Oh my fuck. What did I set his? I think I set it. I hope I didn't set to like 500. I think I did. This is gonna take a long time. You know what? I'm just gonna die. Yeah. Oh, I died. Okay. I forgot what I was gonna do with the boss. What were we gonna do? We were gonna... I think I was just checking that his projectiles work, and they do. They definitely work. I don't know, that seemed pretty solid. I don't see an issue. Cool. Solid night, everybody. We effing did it. Who's on the list? Who's on the Orbem order? Hey, Pirinator, what up, man? Maker's Edge? That's a new name. What up, Maker's Edge? You into 3D printing, or you just a different type of maker? Because we do a lot of 3D printing stuff here as well. Alright. Well, I think it's time that we go ahead and raid a motherfucker. Because I need to get to my own bed of sorts. Who shall we raid tonight? Crozian. Hopefully he's still up. Last time he pieced out right when I raided him. Let's see if he's going to do it again. He's got a couple of people this time, so I don't think he's going to bail. Alright, everybody. Well, anybody watching in the future, I really appreciate you. If you made it this far into the stream on a VOD, then you're a real one. Hope to see you come to a stream sometime. And for everybody who stopped in, everybody on the YouTube Shorts live feed, you guys are awesome. Really appreciate some of you piping up and saying hi and whatnot. So I will go ahead and see you tomorrow, Friday. Have a great one, everybody. Goodbye.